Okay, for number 6, we want to see which, so if we graph this, which is an exponential equation because we have the x in the exponent, which of these would produce a point closest to the x-axis? So remember, if we were to graph this, it all depends if it's growth or decay. So is it growth or decay? Well, let's see. If this number is bigger than 1, so if our growth factor is bigger than 1, then it's going to be growth. If it's less than 1, then it's going to be decay. And obviously 2 is bigger than 1, so this is a growth function, which, remember, takes the shape of your right hand. So if we just kind of imagine that hand. And so we know it's going to make this shape here. So drawing out my asymptote on the x-axis, this is my x-axis, it's going to make this shape here, kind of like an L shape from your right hand. And we want to know which value of x, so on this left or right axis, which value is going to produce a point closest to it on this graph. So I can see that as I go to the left or go smaller in the x direction, it gets closer. As it goes to the right, it gets farther. So I want the smallest value of x that's going to get this closest than the bigger value of x. So let's get a smaller value of x, and let's see what's the smallest value here is c. If you're not quite sure, you can do the long division. 3 divided by 4. We probably only need one decimal place, so let's see. It goes into 37 times. And let's see, 8 divided by 9 goes into there 8 times. 2 divided by 7. Let's see, it goes into that 2 times. And 4 divided by 9 goes into it 4 times. So we can see the smallest value of x, or the one that's further to the left, is this one right here, which came from C.